In this Hostinger WordPress tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to build a complete WordPress website from start to finish. We'll cover everything from setting up your Hostinger account and installing WordPress to using professional pre-made website templates to speed up the process. I'll also walk you through building your site with Elementor, one of the most popular drag and drop builders, so you can create a professional looking website without any coding skills. By the end of this Hostinger tutorial, you'll have a fully working customized website ready to launch. Plus, I'll share a Hostinger discount that saves you more money than shown here, plus a free domain name. So let's get started. First things first, go ahead and click the link in the description below to grab your Hostinger discount offer. I've also added the Hostinger coupon code right next to the link so you can apply it at checkout and get the best Hostinger deal. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Hostinger web hosting page. Click the Start Now button to be taken to the Hostinger plan section on the page. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup plan. Something to keep in mind is that the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted once you enter the Hostinger coupon code at checkout. All plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 support, global data centers, and a 99.9% uptime guarantee. Hostinger's premium web hosting plan packs serious value. You'll get hosting for up to 3 websites with 20 gigabytes of fast SSD storage, 2 mailboxes free for the first year. It also includes a free domain name with annual billing, unlimited SSL certificates, weekly backups, free website migration, a built-in AI website builder, and fully managed WordPress hosting. Hostinger's business web hosting plan includes everything from the premium plan. AI tools included with this plan are the AI website builder, AI image generator, AI writer, AI blog generator, and AI SEO tools. You'll get hosting for up to 50 websites with 50 gigabytes of NVMe storage, 5 mailboxes free for the first year, plus a free domain name with annual billing. This plan also upgrades you to daily and on-demand backups, an AI-powered e-commerce website builder, an AI website builder for WordPress, and includes a CDN for faster global performance. The Cloud Startup plan builds on everything included in the Premium and Business plans and takes it to the next level. You get hosting for up to 100 websites with blazing fast 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, 10 mailboxes free for the first year, and a free domain name with annual billing. This plan also includes automatic website migration, a dedicated IP address for added security, and performance and priority 24/7 expert support. Go ahead and click the Choose Plan button under the option you want to go with. You'll now be on the cart page. On the right hand side, you'll see a link that says Have a Coupon Code. Click on that. Then paste in the Hostinger promo code I've included in the description below and hit Apply. You'll see the updated discount instantly, helping you save even more on your Hostinger web hosting. On the left side of the cart, under Period, you can choose how long you want your hosting plan to run. Keep in mind the free domain name is only included with the annual plans. For this tutorial, I'll go with the 12-month option. You'll see every website needs a domain. You can type in a domain name that you'd like to have. If it's available, you'll see your domain name listed here, showing $0 if going with any of the annual terms. Next, click the Continue button to begin setting up your Hostinger account. You'll be prompted to register. Just enter your details and click Register when you're ready. After that, fill in your billing address information. If you selected an annual plan, you'll see that a free domain name is included along with free domain privacy protection to keep your personal info safe. Once that's filled out, click Continue to move forward. Finally, enter your payment details. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll find a list of all the payment methods that Hostinger accepts, so you can choose what works best for you. For this tutorial, I'll choose to pay by card and click the Submit Payment button. Once the payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your receipt for the Hostinger purchase. You'll now land on the Who is this website for page. Just select the option that best fits your needs, or click Skip at the bottom if you'd rather move on without filling this out. I'll go ahead and click Next. Now you'll see the Create or Migrate Your Website page. Choose the option that applies to you. I'll select Create a Website and then click Next. Next, you'll be asked how you'd like to build your site. You can choose between WordPress, the Hostinger website builder, or an empty PHP HTML site. For this tutorial, we're going with WordPress, so I'll select that and click Next. Now it's time to set up your WordPress login details. You can choose the language for your WordPress dashboard, then enter the username and password you want to use the login. Once you've done that, click Next. Finally, you'll be taken to the Choose a Pre-Built Website page. Here you can browse through a variety of professional templates to kickstart your design. At the bottom of this page, you'll see the option to create a blank site and use a theme instead. For this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to access professional pre-made templates and customize them with an easy drag and drop editor. I'll start by clicking Create Blank Site. Next, you'll land on the What domain name do you want to use for this website page. Here, you can type in the domain name you want to use or enter a domain you already own. If you're not ready to pick a domain yet, simply click Use Temporary Domain at the bottom to get started right away with a temporary address. After that, you'll see the Where is your target audience located page. From the drop-down, select the data center closest to your audience for optimal speed. Once you've made your choice, click Install WordPress. The installation process will start and may take a few minutes. When it's finished, you'll be automatically redirected to the WordPress dashboard on Hostinger's onboarding page. Before we choose a theme and start creating our site, I want to do a quick overview of the Hostinger HPanel. You can also get to this Hostinger page within WordPress by clicking Hostinger in the left side menu. Up at the top right, click Go to Hostinger to be taken to the Hostinger HPanel. It'll bring you to the WordPress overview page within your Hostinger HPanel. From here, if you click Main Menu, it'll take you to this page here. Click Home in the left side menu to be taken to the Hostinger HPanel homepage. From the Hostinger HPanel homepage, you'll see your hosting account here. Click the Manage button, and it'll bring you back to the WordPress overview page within your HPanel. If you click WordPress Admin, it'll take you to the WordPress dashboard. You can access things here related to your WordPress website, or from the left side menu, you can browse categories and click on something and then choose a subcategory if you like to go there. From the Hostinger HPanel homepage, if you click Websites in the left side menu, it'll pull up the website list. You can access tools for your website. Click WP Admin to be taken to the WordPress dashboard. Click Dashboard to be taken to the Hostinger HPanel WordPress overview page. I'll click WordPress Admin to be taken to the WordPress dashboard. Before we pick a theme and start creating our site, we want to uninstall the Hostinger Onboarding plugin so we can access the Elementor page builder to edit and create our site. Click the Plugins tab in the left side menu. Find the Hostinger Onboarding plugin. Underneath it, click Deactivate. Now we want to pick out a theme to begin creating a site. To pick out a theme for your site, find the Appearance tab and hover over it. Click Themes so we can pick out a theme for your site. Next, click Add New Theme. You'll now see WordPress themes that you can choose from. There's thousands of free themes to choose from. Now I'm going to show you how to access free professionally designed WordPress themes and how to edit them easily with the drag and drop editor. Type in Astra in the search field. Click the Install button. Then click the Activate button. Once it is done activating the theme, you want to find the Plugins tab in the side menu. Click Add Plugin. In the search field, type in Starter Templates. You want to click Install on it, then click Activate. Once it is done activating the plugin, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over the Appearance tab in the side menu. Click on Starter Templates. You'll see how you would like to build your website. I'll select the classic Starter Templates. Click the Build with Templates button. Choose Elementor for the page builder. If you ever see something other than Elementor showing up at the top, just click from the drop-down and select Elementor. It'll now showcase a bunch of WordPress themes you can build your site with using drag and drop. You can type in the type of website you want to create to pull up templates based on that. You'll see a bunch of categories you can hover over and select to build your site. If you click a theme, it'll show you what it will look like, so you can preview it. Click the X button to go back to the themes page. Something I want to mention, any of the templates, no matter the category and what they are called, can be used for your website. You can easily change it and edit the templates to what you like when creating your WordPress site. Just find a template you like, and then you can start making it your own, no matter what category the template is in. Select the theme you want. In the search field, I'll type in Mountain. You'll see the template here called Mountain. I'll select this template for this tutorial. You can upload a logo if you'd like. You can do this at a later time, so if you don't have one now, no worries. I cover this later in the video. You can now choose the font and colors for your site. You can update these at a later time or change them whenever you'd like. I cover this later in the video. Click the Continue button. You'll now be on the Select Features page. Feel free to select any features you want. I'll click Skip this step. You'll now be on the Tell us a little about yourself. You don't have to fill this out if you don't want to. Just make sure under Advanced Options you have each one selected. Click the Submit and Build My Website button. It'll begin building your website. Once it is done, you'll be on the Congratulations page. Click the View Your Website button. It'll now take you to your website and what it looks like. To make edits to your site, click the Edit with Elementor tab on the top of the page. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can easily make changes to your site. You can click on something and then put in the text you want. If you click Style, you can make changes to the text. If you click Content, you can make changes to the content. If you click the pencil icon next to Typography, you can change the font for the text. You can change the size of the text. If you want to change the background image here at the top or anywhere on the page, right-click in the top of the section. Click Edit Container. Click Style. You'll see the image showing here. The trash can icon will delete the image. If you click into the image, you can then upload an image or click Media Library to choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. I'll select an image I've already uploaded to WordPress. I'll select the Select button. The image has now been uploaded. If you want to change the background colors and opacity of the image, find Background Overlay and click it. Click Color. You can then change the color to what you'd like. Next, where you see opacity, you can drag this over to get it how you'd like. To edit the button, click into the button. You can change the name of it. You can link it out to where you want it. If you click the settings icon here, you can have the link open in a new window and make it nofollow if you'd like. You can change the button size. You can select to not have an icon with the button. Where it says Upload SVG, you can upload an icon. If you click the icon library, you can view icons you can add to the button. If you click Style, you can change things for the button. If you click Hover, you can make changes on the button hover. If you want the additional button here or something anywhere on the page removed, right-click on it, click Delete to remove it. If you want this button centered, hover over the button and drag it up like this. Next, let's remove these showing below. I'll right-click into it and click Delete. I'll do it one more time. They've successfully been deleted. I'll scroll down to this section. If you click on something, you can move things around to get it how you want it. By clicking the plus icon at the top left of the editor, you can get to where you can drag stuff over from the left. If you want to remove something, right-click into the area. Click Delete to delete it. If you want to duplicate something, right-click into an area. Click Duplicate, and it'll duplicate that area. I'll scroll up to this section here. If you want to change an image in this section, click the box icon here in the top left. Click Style. You'll see the image where you can click into it to change the image. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Drag Widget section, click the Starter Templates icon. Click Blocks in the menu. You can then choose from lots of block templates you can add to your site. Up at the top, you can select categories from blocks to show. I'll click one. Click the Import Block button. It's now been added to the page. To change the background color of a section, just right-click in the top of the section. Click Edit Section. Click Style. Make sure Classic is selected next to Background Type. You'll see Color. Click this and you can change the background color of the section. If you want to add a new section to the page, hover over an area on the page we want to add the new section. Click the plus icon. Click the plus icon showing again. Next, select Flexbox. Next, choose the structure for the section. Click the plus icon here at the top. You can then drag stuff into the section. To remove a section, hover over it and click the X button to remove it. If you want to move a section to somewhere else on the page, just hover over it and click the middle icon with the dots. You can drag it up or down to move it to somewhere else on the page. If you click Publish on the top of the page, it'll publish your changes. If you click the arrow next to Publish, you can save the page as a draft or save the page as a template to then use for another page on your site. If you click the preview icon, it'll bring up a preview of your page. If you click the desktop icon, it'll show you what your changes look like on desktop devices. The tablet icon will show tablet devices, and the mobile icon will show mobile devices. If you hover over the site settings icon and click it, you can change things like the colors of your entire site, fonts used, and more. If you click the Elementor menu icon and click History, and then click Revisions, it'll list out all the revisions for your site that it has pre-saved. If you click one, it'll bring your site edits back to how they were at the time of that edit. If you click the Elementor menu icon and click Exit to WordPress, then click the WordPress icon in the top left, it'll take you to the WordPress dashboard. If you hover over the Pages tab, click Add New to add a new page to your site. If you click All Pages, it'll showcase all the pages on your site. If you hover over the Media tab and click on Library, it'll show you all the images you've uploaded in WordPress. If you click Add New at the top, you can then upload or drag in an image into WordPress. If you hover over Post and click Add New, you can create a new blog post for your site. If you click All Posts, it'll pull up all the posts you have on your site. If you click the Comments tab, you will see all the comments you have on your blog post. You can easily reply, mark it as spam, or trash the comment. If you hover over the Plugins tab and click Add New, you can then search for or browse plugins to add to your site. Any feature or customization you might want on your site, more than likely there's a plugin for that. If you hover over the Appearance tab in the left side menu, click on Menus. This is where you can edit the menu on your site. If you have multiple menus on your site, you'll be able to select them from the Select a Menu to Edit area. Click the Select button to select the menu you want to edit. You can add new pages to the menu or drag a page to a different order. If you click the tiny arrow, you can change the name of it or completely delete it from the menu. If you want to create a completely new menu, you can click Create a New Menu. If you want to have sub-menu items show in the menu, just add the items to the menu and place it a bit to the right or in the menu name you want it to show under. I'll add a few under Services. I'll click Save. I'll now pull up the view of my site, and you'll now see these sub-menu items showing in the menu under Services. You'll notice it doesn't show and it's just white. Here's what to do when this happens. Up at the top, click the Customize tab, click Header Builder, click Transparent Header, click Design, we see submenu color under the text link section, click on the first one. You can now change it to a color you'd like. I'll select this one. I'll hover over the menu and you'll see they are now showing. To change the hover color, click on the second one. change the color to what you'd like, scroll up to the menu, and on hover, you'll see the color has changed. Click the Publish button to save your changes. Now I'm going to cover the Contact Us form to show you how this works. From the view of your site, click Contact in the menu. You'll see the contact form showing here. To edit the contact form on your site, hover over your site title name up at the top. Click Dashboard. Next, click on WP Forms. You'll see the Contact Us form here. Hover over it and click Edit. It's now going to bring up the builder for the Contact Us form. You can hover over an area to delete it or duplicate it. You can click an area and drag it to wherever you'd like it. If you want to add something, you can drag it over from the side. If you click Field Options, you can click on a part of the form and then make changes from the side. You can select to make this part of the form a required or not required part to fill out. If you click Advanced, you can click on a part of the form you want to change, and you can select between the size of the form field for that area, and then change if you want anything to show in the form field where they input their information. If you click Settings, you'll be in the General section where you can edit things for the form. Spam Protection allows you to toggle on spam protection options. Notifications is where you can put in the email the form info should be sent to, and the From email address showing to the person who filled out the form. And the Confirmations is where you can put in a confirmation message that shows to the person who filled out the form. Click Save to save changes. When you are done, click the X button. Now I'm going to go over maps for your site in case you want to have a map for your website. From the Contact page, click the Edit with Elementor tab. Scroll down to the map showing here at the bottom. Hover over the map and click the pencil icon where it says Location. You can put in the address of your business. You can toggle zoom to get the map to look how you want. The height will change the height of the map. You now see the notification showing about the Google Maps API key up at the top. Click the Create Your Here link. It'll take you to this page. Scroll down and click Go to Credentials page. Click Create Projects. Put in the project name. You can just put in your site or business name. Put in the address and click Create. It'll then give you your API key. You can copy and paste into the API key field. Next, you want to click the Integration Settings link. Paste the API key here and click Save Changes. Your map will now show live for your site visitors. Now let me show you how to make edits to the footer, header, and logo of your site. From the WordPress dashboard, if you hover over the Appearance tab in the left side menu, click Customize. It'll take you to the Customize page. To edit the footer, click Footer. You can then click an area in the footer area where you see the pencil icon to start making edits to that section over on the left side. If you click Design, you can then make additional changes for that section in the footer. You can click the X button to remove that area from the footer. If you click the pencil icon here on the left-hand side, you can then choose how many columns you want your footer to be. You can then click the plus icon to add sections to that part of the footer. To add the header area of your site, scroll up to the top of the page. If you click into the header area of your site on something, you can make edits. If you want to remove something in the header, just find it here and click the X button to remove it from the header. In this section, you can move things around to change the look of the menu area to get it how you like it. If you click the pencil icon where you see the logo, it'll pull up where you can remove the current logo and add your own logo. If you click the Design tab, you can make color changes to the logo. I'm going to click the back arrow twice. If you click Site Identity, you can then upload a favicon, which is the site icon for your site. If you click Site Title and Logo Settings, you'll be able to change the site title for your site. You'll see Tagline is where you can change the tagline for your site. I'll click the back button twice. If you click Global, Typography is where you can change the font choose for your site. Colors is where you can change the colors for your site. Buttons is where you can change the button presets and colors used. And that's it. Your step-by-step guide to building a WordPress website with Hostinger is complete. In this Hostinger WordPress tutorial, you learned how to use professional pre-made templates in the Elementor drag and drop builder to design a polished WordPress site, no coding required. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. I'd love to hear what kind of website you're creating. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress and Hostinger tutorials so you can keep learning and growing your site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.